Hey guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. So today I have the Walmart's best selling Bluetooth speaker, which is On Groove portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. On is a trademark of Walmart. You guys say like on or ONN, whatever. So it comes with USB charging cable and user manual. Okay, so this is a 10-watt output Bluetooth speaker with 10 hours of playtime. It also has TWS, like you guys can pair two Bluetooth speakers together to get super loud sound. IPX7 Waterproof, and this speaker also can work well in up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. Built-in microphone for hands-free calling. Nice, huh? High quality, well-made prop speaker. Fabric texture. Nice plastic on the upper. Two rubbery spots right here. So USB charging connection, aux in connection. Nice. What's in the back? Same. Nice, huh? Nice Bluetooth speaker. So they recommend this like as an indoor Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so this is power on off button, Bluetooth pairing button, volume down button, play and pause button. And also while using this Bluetooth speaker, if you receive a call, single press to receive a call and single press to end the call. Volume up button. So this is microphone. Nice Bluetooth speaker. Nice, under $30. So it's time to let's check the performance of this Bluetooth speaker. So let me turn on the Bluetooth speaker.
Power on.
Okay.
Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth connected.
Thank you. So this is nice Bluetooth speaker, 10 hours of playtime, 10-watt output, TWS pairing, IPX7 waterproof, built-in microphone, and this is indoor Bluetooth speaker. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel 369 Unboxing. Thanks for watching.